I've finally got it. She's gorgeous. I'm going to put on the glossy taco just to seal it all in. And then I'll come back to do the holo. So this was only 5 hours later. Okay, so we're day 2. We're going for 3rd time lucky. I'm not going to use the royalty blue because I can't get it to work. I can't get it to peel off. And I'm not going to torment myself again. Starting off with the Holo Taco Peely Base. This is Holo Taco 1 Coat Black. The thing with it dries out quick that I'm be too scared to go back over that now. So even though it's a 1 coat black, I think that you need to work too fast for it to be 1. Because it's a bit patchy here. I guess I'm just not fast enough for it, but almost does the job, I would say. To be completely fair, I'm gonna give this 15 minutes to dry. Starting off, we've got the scattered Holo Taco. Silently freaking out in the background. Right, problem is here, you're just seeing silver dots. Give me a moment. That looked like it dried the black. I'm not even joking. That's been 15 bloody minutes. Right at the top, it's dragged the black. Can you see it? It's like right here. But guess, for the actual holo factor, yes. I mean, that's only 1 coat, and I don't think that I would need much more. Let's give it a proper galaxy feel. So next up is the linear Holo Taco, and I am going to do it on my accent nail. Let's just pull the back. It's just pulled the black onto the brush. Onto the brush. Thankfully it was easy enough to get off the brush, but I've never waited 15 minutes on nail polish to dry in my life. Yeah, see that big white patch all the way down. It's not white, but it's quite clearly pulled the polish. And I know that with every layer of nail polish you put on, you're going to have to wait longer, but 15 minutes is just too long, I'm sorry. Waiting 15 minutes on it to dry. It's completely dry on my mat. So I'm going to try another coat. Thankfully, I don't think you're going to be able to see the bit that it pulled underneath. I definitely wonder how many coats it would take to make it fully go opaque. Do you know what I said? I would just leave it 1 coat. But who are we kidding? We're all here to see this. So I'm going to add another coat of a linear Holo Taco just to make it sparkle more. No, that's meant to be scattered. What have I done? Ah! So now to top it all off, we're going to use the Holo Taco Glossy Taco. So as for the first launch of Simplynailogical Holo Taco, I wouldn't suggest picking the blue. The black is slightly runny and I think all the brushes need a little bit work. But the holo is absolutely gorgeous. The reason why we're all here, the holo, the shattered holo is absolutely gorgeous. The depth that you get on that is insane. I mean, I only done 2 coats and I'm absolutely in love with that. The linear holo I really like. I would say maybe there's not as much dimension on that as the scattered holo. It just, I would say it maybe goes on a bit too flat. Peely base, I'll try using that. Maybe try using that against some other peely bases that I've got. See how it goes. And I'll see in the next couple of videos how that glossy tackle works. It's definitely kept a shine on the nails at the moment, but we'll see how long they stay on for. To be honest, I would have expected more from Christine, knowing how much nail polish she's used and played about with. I don't know, it just feel kind of bad. I was expecting a lot more and I was really excited at the start of the video to try all of these, and slowly but surely as it messed up, it just it really disheartened me, shall we say. The holo is absolutely amazing, so I guess the rest is just extra.